Hi everybody, Chris with Cheyenne Air Gunner, and I have a box opener today. Let's see what we got in here today. Okay, let's see what we got. See what we have. The old box opener today. How's everybody been? Everybody okay? Doing good? Getting ready for Christmas Day and Thanksgiving? I'm ready for Thanksgiving. I like turkey. Oh no. I'll take a look at that again. See what I got. See if there's any extra. Sometimes there is. Yeah, whoever did that did a real good packing job. Really good packing job. They stuffed it all up in there. Good stuff. Nice packing. You did a good packing job. 100% good. What's that in there? There's a bubble wrap. You guys like the bubble? I like the bubble wrap a lot more than I like the popcorn. This knife is worthless. This must be a different knife than. Yes, it is. I can tell. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. I do like bubble wrap a lot better than I get that popcorn. Woo-wee! He's a rough looking son of a gun. No, wood's kind of terrible. Look at that. Sheridan. Born in 1968. That's what it says right here. If you look close right there, you can see the date. Let's see what that is. Is that an F? I think it's an F. I can't tell. I'll have to look at it a little bit closer. But, yeah, I might use this as a parts. I need that right there for my front sight for the lefty. See, if I might use the bolt too. It's all rusted. Let's see. You want to see if it? Let's see if it shoots. Okay. Let's see if it shoots. If it's got anything to it. Ooh. She's got. Feels like she's got compression. Whoop-de-doo, Subaru. Huh. She shoots. She shoots good. So, that's my box opener. Sheridan Blue Streak. Yep. I'm born in 1968. Wood is kind of bad. I could probably fix that wood up. Yeah. But when the wood looks like this, when the wood looks like that, that's not good. Not good at all. We'll do our best. All right, there's my box opener. Sheridan Blue Streak. Another one. All right.